With a simple click, the electric panel is turned on. The whole work area is brightly lit. All of your equipment is simultaneously connected to the van's energy source, and the workday can begin. The workshop on board this daily Iveco has everything needed to carry out the multitude of jobs on site, exactly like in any industrial lab. Our client needed to transport equipment and materials for on-site jobs using a lightweight van. Syncro System studied their special needs and proposed an upfit with lightweight materials. They designed, built and installed a racking system, meeting with all the unique working requirements needed for the company, while taking advantage of every inch of space available in the daily Iveco. The centrifuges, used to wash and separate the asphalt components using trichloroethylene, are kept in an onboard cabinet. The cabinet unit is conveniently composed of individual sealed compartments, each equipped with a secure suction closure system. The front door panel opens up vertically, saving considerable space. The entire upfit has been constructed with the total safety of workers in mind. One section of the cabinet contains a heater for drying materials, which can be turned on by a button located on the outside of the van. A large aluminium worktop provides a convenient space for the preparation of and working with the variety of materials and equipment needed for road construction and maintenance. The inner walls of the van have been completely protected with the Syncro paneling system, creating an orderly workspace that is easy to clean, even with the considerable amount of dust produced in the sieving processes required to obtain the exact curve for the mix of aggregates. One of the main reasons that the client looked into upfitting their van was to be able to cut down significantly on work completion times. They realized that a fully equipped mobile workshop was the only way they could accomplish this goal. Being able to bring all the necessary equipment and materials on site means that technicians can test quantities of bitumen particle size distribution and its mechanical properties in the van, without having to send specimens off to a lab. This creates remarkable savings, transport of materials for testing, and time, as well as availability of materials on site if tests show that further mixing and more materials are needed. The on-van workshop, designed, built and tested by Syncro, needed to be completely autonomous energy-wise. It is for this precise reason that Syncro installed a silent yet powerful gasoline generator with ground-level exhaust, in line with the European regulations for the operation of road construction and maintenance machinery. This includes the compression tester and the multi-speed loading press for the Marshall test and indirect tensile strength. One of the key elements of this upfit is the addition of the Syncro hand washing kit, essential for mixing substances, cleaning parts and materials, as well as creating easier overall cleaning and washing up conditions for the workers.